I do have a question for anyone who has the barred power port. I've had mine since January, so February, March, April. I've had it about 3 months. It's been great. Everything's been great, and then all of a sudden, this last time, or last two times that they accessed it, they kind of had trouble. They had me turn my head to the left so that the catheter wasn't getting constricted or whatever. Um, but the time before last, the lady had to lay me down in the chair, in the lab chair. She actually lowered my head below my feet up in the air, head down, like I was like holding on for dear life on the chair. And she had to do that and still have me turn my head to the left in order to get blood return from my port. So I've been told that, like, when they feel it, I mean, you're supposed to have three dots, like three little spots, and then the nurses know, put it between those three spots. Well, mine now has like a really dominant one bump, and then not really sure where the other two are. So they usually have to like push around, um, poke me, maybe get some blood return, maybe not. And then they'll ask me, "Do you usually have this problem?" And I'm like, "No, this is new." But it's definitely like migrated or something. I'm not real sure about the details, but if anyone would like to comment and let me know, I would be happy to hear what you have to say. Thank you.